Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm doing here a review of the Anker Lightning Cable after a year of usage. So here we got a 3 feet. It's actually 0.9 meters, so I guess it could be like 1 meter. These are MFI certified and MFI licensed, so you can like connect and charge it well. America's leading charging brand, so I guess it should be really good, and 20 million plus happy users and counting. I'm one of those 20 million plus happy users. So you can get these at Amazon or Anker.com. So yeah, let's put the box right here. Here's the cable. Now before that, so here is the original Apple cable. Now if you can see, it has this tear thing, and that's actually the reason why it doesn't really feel that much durable. It also causes this yellowish thingy that happens to your white cables for some reason. It decays and all. But now here we go, we have the Anker one, and this cable has never really failed me this year, so I'm actually really happy with it. These are actually cost around $10 in Amazon for some. This I went on sale when I bought it. So actually, Anker they do really make solid products. They also make micro USB for Android devices, but for lightning cables, they're actually really good. So also these are MFI license, so basically you can actually charge it safely because they were licensed by Apple. So this is the Anker Lightning Cable, 3 feet long, and I actually recommend this. You can get it on Amazon or Anker.com. And thanks for watching, guys.